Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. And tomorrow is mid and it's that time of the semester. Like I hate it. Although it's better than finals because finals are worse than mid. Yeah. So now tomorrow is AI exam and I still don't know what will I do tomorrow. Like the whole concepts are still unclear to me. Let's see if I can get anything after like solving the previous year questions, and fingers crossed for tomorrow.
তবে প্রিভিয়াস স্ক্রিপ্টে দেখি পড়াশোনা হচ্ছে।
আমরা লাইভ ডেমনস্ট্রেশন দেখবো কিভাবে এটা আমি পেয়েছি আর কি আসছে